So guys, today we're checking out another ergonomic office chair from SIHOO. This is the B100 Ergonomic Office Chair. It's comfortable, it's durable, it looks great, and it's very adaptive. And this was sent to me by SIHOO to test out. This SIHOO B100 ergonomic office chair requires an assembly. The installation manual is simple, straightforward, and easy to follow. And before you start, make sure to check all the parts you receive and cross-reference them with the manual, just to confirm everything is there. You definitely don't want to get halfway through the assembly and realize you're missing a part. And as I mentioned, the installation step was very straightforward and easy to follow, but there is one part that really threw me off. The labels on the screw set doesn't really have any matching reference from the installation manual. I was able to figure out quickly, but probably because I have assembled a lot of office chair, and it's really not that hard to figure out. But if you're new to assembling furniture, this might be a bit confusing. It would have been a lot smoother if the screw labels matched the installation manual. But once everything's put together, it turned out so nicely that I just had to try it out right away. The height of this chair works really well with my desk, which is about 29 3/4 inches. My elbows and forearms feel properly supported without any pressure points that could cause strain. And since the armrests are foldable, I can easily push the chair closer to my desk without having to adjust the height, and also flip them up and out of the way when I need more space, like when I'm holding something wide or moving side to side. Up top, the headrest is actually wider than your typical office chair and can also be tilted up and down, so it gives better support across the back of your head, not just one small spot. You can also adjust the height, so it works for different sitting positions and different heights. Whether you're sitting upright or leaning back, it's easy to find a position that feels comfortable and properly supported. This chair also has a lumbar support, and it uses dual spring design, so it's very flexible. Although it's not adjustable, but it moves slightly with your back as you change positions, which helps keep the support feeling natural instead of forced, especially during longer sitting sessions. Now, to adjust the height, you twist the lever forward to raise or lower the chair. And to recline, you pull the lever out to unlock it so you can recline freely. Then push it back in, block it in place. And you got 3 recline positions to choose from, depending on how far you want to sit. Now, when it comes to the build quality, this chair is built with a combination of plastic and metal. Plastic material feels premium and solid. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. It feels sturdy and it's not wobbly. And this frame can carry up to 300 pounds of weight. The mesh material feels durable and holds its shape well. And it allows air to pass through, so it doesn't trap heat as much. And it's not sagging or overly soft. The armrests are made of hard plastic. They feel solid even with a foldable design. They're not loose or shaky, but there's no cushioning, so they can feel a bit firm if you prefer something softer. The bottom part of the B100 ergonomic office chair is mostly made of metal, like the seat mechanism to adjust the height and the recline, as well as the hydraulic lift that also uses a gas cylinder. Even the base center and the legs are all made of metal, so it's really strong and durable. And the casters are made of plastic, but they are bigger than the standard casters, which is why I did not struggle even if I'm using this chair on the carpet. And I really like the way it looks. It has a clean, modern design that fits nicely into work or gaming setup. So after spending hours and hours sitting on this chair, I can really say that it worked really well for me in whatever mode I use it for, whether if it's work or gaming. And you know that you are sitting in a very supportive chair when you've been sitting on it for hours without noticing it. So guys, this is the SIHOO B100 Ergonomic Office Chair. If you want to get one for yourself or test it out, I left the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.